Supplier enablement is one of the most critical things that we do in Finexio, a program and operation that we built in-house from scratch here in our Orlando, Florida Operations Center. Supplier enablement is all about not only working with and engaging with suppliers to help them get set up on electronic payments, but also really educate them and answer their questions and provide a good level of service to them that's professional, that's engaging, and that is intuitive so that these suppliers can select and get on board with a virtual card, an ACH, a wire, an e-check, something other than a paper check, and help these suppliers understand what the benefits are, what the trade-offs are, and just work with them diligently to provide the best format of data, the best mode of remittance, and taking in the overall cost of acceptance so that that is as streamlined as possible to drive up the adoption rates with these suppliers.
Here at Finexio, supplier enablement consists of reaching out to all of our client suppliers and transitioning all future payables, if possible, from a handwritten check to an electronic form of payment. This is important in today's business climate due to the fact that our efforts are reducing administrative tasks as well as eliminating fraud that is common with check payments.
Supplier enablement is simply connecting an enterprise's vendor base into Finexio's electronic payment network. It's a critical practice in today's business climate. Given the growth of B2B payments volume, it is estimated that $127 trillion will grow to $200 trillion in B2B payments volume by 2028, giving all businesses an opportunity to pay their vendors in the most efficient manner possible, which is where Finexio will handle all the heavy lifting for our customers and aiding their suppliers in adopting an electronic payment method for all of their future receivables. We execute and determine the best fit strategies for supplier enablement campaigns and our customers, and transitioning those strategies into initial conversations with 100% of their supplier base and educate them to adopt the most efficient payment modality for all of their future receivables.
My role in supplier enablement is to directly outreach to these suppliers and talk them through which payment method is best going forward for their business. I answer any questions and really just try to make the transition as seamless as possible to move them away from paper check to receiving electronic payment.
Here at Finexio, we offer multiple forms of payment that are flexible around the amount of fees the suppliers are willing to take on. Due to the fact that credit card companies pose a fee for these suppliers to process the payment, we offer different forms of ACH that come with fees or an option with zero fees.
So buyer and supplier relationships range from straightforward to ambiguous, and given this range, we have a standard approach in how we tailor to our clients and suppliers' pain points, but we'll always further tailor to their one-off requests, which is where the value add enters. Our nimble and flexible approach allows for Finexio to never miss an opportunity for our clients and their suppliers transition into an electronic payment.
Every supplier is different, so we have to be flexible because every business will need a different type of payment method. We communicate with the suppliers to make sure that they get these payments at the lowest cost possible and as timely as possible. Our main goal is to make sure that there is no friction between the buyers and the suppliers to make this a seamless transition.
We work closely with the operations department after the supplier is onboarded to 1, handle any one-off specific requests, and 2, provide those requests and information to the operations team so that they experience a full, smooth transition and they're receiving their transactions efficiently.